Hi, I'm Matt from Technical Service, here to talk about pairing the Boom Audio 20S headset to the Boombox GTS Infotainment system. In addition to this video, remember to also use your quick start guides and online manual available on hd.com/infotainment-support. Here, I have a 2019 CVO. Now, to power on the Boom 20S, we're going to select the center and phone button and hold it down for 1 second. This will power on the device. To get into pairing mode, select the phone button and press and hold for approximately 5 seconds. With the red and blue flashing lights, we now can go to the radio and select Setup, Wireless Headset Setup, and Pair Rider. The 20S shows up. We can select it to complete the pairing process. Now we're paired and we're good to go. Thanks for watching. Remember to throw us a like, hit subscribe, and we'll see you next time.